Within the STEM classroom, learners are often posed with an idea, phenomenon, or challenge. With the EIE curricula, learners will be supported through design thinking with the use of the engineering design process and the habits of mind. Pause this video and rate your current knowledge of EIE's habits of mind now. Then, return to view the rest of this video. Cultivating habits of mind will help your learners develop effective problem-solving skills and positive attitudes toward STEM. Habits of mind, whether in technology or any other field, can be described and organized in a number of ways. EIE's habits of mind are grouped in 3 categories: feel, think, and do. First, feel. Engineers and programmers practice habits of mind that support persistence, collaboration, and a can-do attitude. Next, think. Engineers and programmers don't expect their first idea to be their best. They think things through, using all their knowledge and understanding to come up with workable solutions. Finally, do. There's a lot of doing and doing over when you're coming up with a solution. Habits like investigating materials, constructing models, and decomposing problems can help get things done.